Hello, Body Fangs. Welcome to the push. What? Is that a bakkie?
Nee, boet. It's a Hilux. Now, if you think that you are the ultimate Toyota Hilux fan, you need to brag about it, okay? Send us a picture in the comments over here with a photo of your Hilux. Doesn't matter if it's got 99,000 kilometers on the clocks there, of as die ding uitgekom het when the bow and arrow was still a secret weapon. Even if it's like mooi ingekleer soos 'n Sondagskool prentjie. Prove it. Who's it? Yeah, Halfway Toyota Fourways is launching the brand new Toyota Hilux at the Who's It Hilux Fest, right there at their showroom on the 20th of June. And we need you to pull in with your Hilux. Jy, jou buurman se buurvrou en die vrou daar langs aan, as long as they got a Hilux. We need to go groot to this thing. Groter than Mahara. It's going to be a day job. Plenty to do, lots of giveaways there. And you get to say, who's it to the new Hilux? So pull in. Besides, it's not a bakkie. It's a Hilux. See you there. Okay, thanks.
Geef my 'n hart so swaar.